Hey everybody, my name is Charlie and I'm going to be doing a new YouTube video. For the Terraria PS3, I'm going to be trying for a world record again. But, as I said in my last video, I'm probably not going to actually get it. But, it's nice to try anyway. Okay. It starts at the first hit. There we go. Defeated. And we got an Ockham trophy. Why don't you look at that? Okay, for this video it wasn't my best because the minions kept getting in the way. But I used Agile Coin Gun, plus 13 speed, plus 13 critical strike chance. The Coin Gun! I have a ton of ammo here, so you can see these are platinum coins. I don't know why they're like stacked up like that, I guess it's a glitch. And I've been using the Shroomite armor with the Shroomite mask. Full Shroomite armor. The Destroyer, the Menacing Destroyer emblem, Menacing Mechanical Glove, Menacing Red's Wings, Fleeting Celestial Stone, and Menacing Fire Gauntlet. You could have gone without the Red's Wings, but yeah. I don't know if it's a world record or not, but I hope it is. And thank you guys. Bye.